Hello guys, MDF Trains here. I'm going to end the video here now. This is at York, and I was joined by Huddersfield Train Spotter 92. York was a lovely station, several tones off the nice drivers, which made it wonderful. There he is, he's hiding behind the post. But yeah, folks, it's been lovely at York. I hope you like my content. If there is any comments, likes, I'll get back to them as soon as I can. Any recommendations, trackside locations you want me to record, leave them in the comments below. But for me, until November the 5th, when we do Temple Meads, this is MDF signing off. Goodbye.